This is the basis of our digital product automation challenge. So right in this very video, which is the basis, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up your paid ad, from creating your landing page to running your ad on Facebook right now with this particular update. And I'm going to be breaking this down right here in this very video. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your landing page. For instance, if you come over to my website right here, I've already created a landing page. This is the landing page I created, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create something like this and use it to run your paid advertisement. You're going to see some graphics, you're going to see some videos, and also some ad copies and all of that. Okay, so if you're monetized with AdShare, this is going to simply work for you. If you're monetized with TikTok ad Montag, this is actually going to simply work for you on your website blog. All right, all you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your high converting landing page that you can actually use to run your paid ad on Facebook. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to your browser right here and log into your website. Okay, so once you log into your website, this is how your dashboard is going to simply look like. Okay, come over to your dashboard section right here, then locate plugin section. Okay, go to the plugin and click on add new plugin. All right, and search for Seed Prod. All right, okay, so this is the plugin you're going to simply search for. You can see the plugin is active on my website. Okay, so just search for Seed Prod. Over 700,000 people are using it on their website. Okay, so if you don't have a standard blog website, go ahead and get yourself. Once it is active, you're going to see right here, click on these landing pages here. This is the one I've already published, and I use this particular page right here to run my ad, and I've been using it to run ad for a long while, and it is converting for me. Okay, and for you to create yours, you need to simply come to this video section and click on this add new landing page. You have to add the name of your landing page. Okay, let's say I want to add that digital skill. Okay, so once you add that, then you can see right here, this is what we have, digital skills. Then click on this choose template. Okay, so with the free version, you're going to get a lot of templates you can actually use for your page. Okay, if my team have already built your website and monetize it, and you want to use this particular plugin to run your ad, then you are free to do that. Okay, because everything has been optimized for you already. So you can see this is what we have. This is another one, and if you want to view it, you can click here and view the full page. Okay, you can see this is how the full page looks like. Okay, so if you don't like that one, close it, and you can actually select this. Let's check this out. You can see it's cool. Let's I want to go with this one and click on this button. It's going to simply take you to the page where you have to simply start designing this to your own taste. Okay, so first thing first, what do you want to promote? Remember, we are promoting digital skills, and we want people to either visit our website or get our product. Okay, anything that your product is related to it, that's what you have to simply use as your landing page. Okay, anything you want to promote, that's what you have to add on your landing page. First of all, come to the page, go to this very page. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color. Let's say I want to change it to this, so I want to go with that. So after selecting the color you want to add, then the next thing you have to do is simply add the image you want. Okay, and add my own image. Okay, so let's say I want to upload another image from here. Just come to this section and click on this upload files, and you have to make sure the files you're uploading, you have already customized it on Canva. You can use Canva to design your stuff the way you want it. Okay, type in whatever template you want to use. Okay, let's say I'm talking about digital skills and I want to use Canva to design mine. I have to simply type in digital skills right here. Okay, and for you to create a landing page that is converting very well, you have to add videos, and the same videos you're going to be using as your ad creative. And I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get the videos just right here in this very video. Okay, these are digital skill templates you can actually download or customize for yourself. Then add your picture if you want to add your picture, anyhow you want to do it. Okay, so this is just the strategy to design this. Come to your page, click on file and import what you've already designed. Okay, I want to select this first, then click on open, then click on select. Okay, so you can see what I did there, a little bit sharper now. Everything seems to be good now. Okay, so I want it to actually be this. You can see where the text is right now at that particular section where we added our red color. Okay, this is what they wrote here, our 30-day fitness challenge, but this is our own write-up, our 30 days digital skill challenge. Okay, so we have this in place and we have the full image right here. Okay, and this is a cool one. The next thing you have to do is to actually add some images right here. So if you click on this button, then you can actually delete this lady and add your own image. Okay, let's say I want to add this blogging challenge. I will click on blogging, then click on add. You can see the blogging challenge has been added. Okay, so this is where you have to actually relax your mind, okay, because most of you will not actually know what to start writing in all of these art copies. Okay, so this landing page requires a highly converting art copy for it to work. Okay, so the next thing you have to do right now is simply head over to Google and search for ChatGPT. All right, so ChatGPT will always understand what you want. Okay, so this is what I wrote here. I am creating a landing page for Facebook ad, and I am promoting my digital skill training course and digital product where users learn how to start a blog, AdMob, freelancing, and other digital skills. Okay, so give me there's supposed to be a there. All right, so give me the full details and sections to include on my landing page, and also the art copy for Facebook ad. Okay, click on this send button, then let's allow it to do the work. Okay, copy this, go to our page, then come to this very section and add that to the heading. Okay, come back to ChatGPT again. This is for the subheading. Okay, so you can see right here, it's making the whole work easier for us right here. Okay, so let's add this here. Even if the landing page is just this and this, the message has been able to be covered. Okay, so your landing page doesn't have to be complicated with lengthy page where people will keep scrolling. Nobody have that time. Okay, you have to make sure you go straight to the point and also provide your call to action. Okay, then you can add join now button right here. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see if there is any join now button. Copy that, then go to our landing page, then remove this guaranteed results for policy sake, then add the link. Okay, so remember the link could be the product you're trying to promote, okay, or the blog website that is monitored with ad tag, hit up ad, and lots more, okay, that you want to promote. Add it right here. Okay, you can see the link section here. You add the link here, click on the save button. This section, this one could be a video. Okay, this one could be a video. If you click on this, you can add a video instead of image. Okay, then click on this button here, these blocks, and you search for video. Just drag it, so you can see this is our video. Then delete this one. Okay, remember this is a video from YouTube. Okay, so you can actually add video like the ones I added here were coming from Vimeo. Okay, just click on the settings button, then you have to simply select the platform where you want to add your video from. Okay, so this one is a custom button and this one is for YouTube. Okay, so just copy the YouTube video you want to add. Let's say I want to add one of my YouTube video. You have to use your own video you've already published on YouTube. Okay, if it is not your YouTube video, don't use that for advertisement. Okay, if you want a high converting video ad creative for your advertisement on Facebook and other platform, come to this very page right here. Then this is the pack you're going to simply download to get all the videos you can actually use for this. Okay, you can see that ad that you can actually get. You can copy your own YouTube video, right? Click on this button here. Then remember, this is what we have as Sage Prod, but I'm going to be adding a new link here. Let's see if the video will change right now. Okay, just click on it. Make sure that the video you are adding, you can see it has already been added. Make sure that the video you are adding is 100% active and also public. Okay, you have to simply go ahead and replace most of this text right here with the ones ChatGPT has already given us. Okay, just come back here. click on preview. Okay, so let's wait for it. You can see this is what they will see once they click on our ad. It's very much cool now. Okay, so all you need to do right now is to actually copy the link of your stuff. All right, then come back here, then you can click on publish. Make sure you click on publish for this to go live. Okay, so you can show SeedProd, be powered by SeedProd. You can copy your affiliate link and add here, then turn it on so that if people try to use SeedProd as well, you can get commission. This is what they say you can actually get 20% commission when they buy this pro version. Okay, click on the save button. So it has been published. So that's basically how you can actually build your landing page. And since our landing page is now ready for us to go, we can actually go ahead and use it to run our advertisement. Okay, so the day 7 of this very challenge, which is the last day of this very challenge, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up the right converting Facebook ad for digital products, website blog traffic, and a lot more. Okay, so if you don't want to miss this, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. And if you've been following from the day 1 to the day 6 of this very challenge, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.